Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Tubi with Hulu. So let's get right into it. Tubi is completely free, offering a mix of movies, TV shows, and live channels, but with audio content. It is 100% free but includes frequent ad breaks, through which they basically earns. So there is no subscription, no hidden fees, and if we compare it with Hulu, on the other hand, so Hulu has a larger premium library, including new TV episodes, original series, and ads-on like live TV. It offers ad-supported and ad-free plans, giving you more flexibility. If we talk about pricing, it starts at around $7.99 per month with ads or $17.99 per month for ad-free streaming with live TV plans. If you compare both of them, so Hulu is best for new TV episodes, exclusive and live TV add-ons. And choose Hulu if you want a new TV shows, original and ad-free options. And choose Tubi if you want free streaming with no subscription costs, but there will be ads. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.